Noctori, 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 Noctori. It is time for you to get. Mom, we need to find prey. We need to gum on it for our breakfast. I know what language you're speaking. That means coming in 3, 2, 1. I am the globgo gabglub, the swallow double gobble gobble flubble. I am the globgo yeast of mind. Come on, Mom, let's go find our food. Turtle spit. Noctori, 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 Noctori. Welcome back, everyone, to America's most amazing animals that could ever live. Today, we're back on day 2. We're going to be exploring the baby once again. Not again! Shut up, Baldy. Remember what I said? If you get mad one more time, you're gonna be the next animal on our channel. For your mad behavior. Fine! That's a good Baldy. That's a good Baldy. Today we're back with the Baldy. Today we're going to be looking at the baby again. You're making me so mad! Who's touching the child? Don't touch the child! Don't touch the child! No, don't touch the child! Someone stop the memes, or else I'm going to die. And dab and dab and dab. You know why I'm dabbing? Shut up. Again, no, I think he's gonna let her big horrific slap. My earlobes! You mean eardrums! Ah! Get back here! Ah! Get back here, you annoying piece of poop! Oh my god! Ah! Yes, we got a customer! Wait, what are you selling? Oh, we're not selling anything. What? So, what are you doing here? And why did you say that you have a customer? Are you meeting me? Yes, I am! We're selling piggyback rides, but with a real pig! We need a replacement. Wow, what are you doing? Holy cow, it's Mickey! This is why I don't sign up for things. Well, can I always have a piggyback ride? Sure can do. You just gotta put in a quarter. You mean a penny? Yeah. Okay. But there's something cool about this pig. It's not any normal piggyback ride. It's with a real pig! We changed SpongeBob into a pig. But why did you do that? Dude, read the script. We wanted him to look cool. We wanted him to look cool. At least that's what Goofy told me to say. Tell him I wanted him to look cool. Okay. So can I just get out of here now? Well, you're the one that's waiting. Go get a penny and just put it inside of SpongeBob's back. Who is in a pineapple under the sea? Oink, 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 oink. Okay, that's so weird. That's a quarter. We take quarters only, not pennies. What is wrong with you, lady? Nothing. What's wrong with you? Nothing. What's wrong with you? Touché. Even though we both said the same thing. Yeah, who cares? Careful. Yes, Noctori! Okay, I gotta go now. He's getting really quick. He's getting really fast. He's getting really cool. He's getting really close. Oh my god, I will slap you across the neck! Okay, I gotta get out of here. Onward into infinity! Shooting stars. So long! Woo! Oh wait, I just realized that Baldy can fly too. Oh, I know what he hates. He hates people dabbing. Don't you DC dab. We need a cool clothes, hit attitude, a new head moves and dab. And dab, and dab, and dab, and dab. Okay. I'm not fighting with this dude. Well, I guess it's up to me. Baldy have one weird cry. Is it gonna keep going on until I make him feel better? Yes, it will. I'm happy. Well, that was weird.